What's up, my all friends here. I come again with another exterior tutorial series. Here, I have AutoCAD drawing. Today, we are gonna create modern exterior in SketchUp. So stop masturbating and sit your ass on chair and watch full exterior SketchUp tutorial and learn with me more about 3D architect designing. Now you can see I'm directly creating rectangular on walls by pressing R button on keyboard. This is the second method of creating wall in easy way. Just click R button on keyboard and match corner to corner for making walls. After it, we will pushing this wall to upside. But remember friends, before using this method, first you make sure your AutoCAD file should be in group in SketchUp. After converting in group, you can use this method. In my case, I already create my AutoCAD drawing in group. So this method you can use, also we can use plug-in for making walls. We done our walls now. I'm clearing lines that useless for me. We use an erase option by simply clicking E button. You can erase anything with this method in SketchUp like object, lines, shapes. We clear all useless lines. Now we're gonna make this in group. So for making in group, select every wall by holding Shift button like this. And after click right button and select group option, let's push the whole walls. Press P button for pushing any object in SketchUp. Or I'm trying to creating standard height of wall between 9 to 12 feet after we pushing all walls by clicking P button for pushing. So I have a question for y'all, my family. Why are you not subscribing my channel? Come on, it's free. You don't need any pay for it. So why are you not subscribing? Please, friends, support me. You are like my family, and if family not supporting, who will support? So subscribe to the channel. It's free. Also, fuck the like button. Okay, back to work here. I pushed down the wall for making window for this area. You can see in this drawing and it's look good. Oh, I think I need to divide this wall area into 4 windows. So I need to create line on this wall for making division. So let's click L button for line option and create the line. And after push the wall, sometimes it's become more complicated for making exterior. But you just need to calm your mind or think logically, exact like I'm doing. Let's make more division for window. Hey, if you have any doubt of SketchUp or 3D architecture related, comment me below. I swear I will reply you fast and we will clear your every doubt in comment box. Also, please tell me which type of tutorial do you like to watch. I will improve in my next video.
Okay, now let's back to work and create line by clicking L button and push the walls like this.
What the fuck with the sound? Sorry, friends, that was internal problem. I fixed that, so now back to the work and add line for perfect division. I think division work done, so let's push the walls. Let's push this one wall and this another wall.
Okay, here we done. Now you can see this right wall look good. So in this empty part, we adding big sliding window. But before, let's fix the wall and adjust the area. By press P button on your keyboard for push the wall inside and align all walls.
What the hell with my mic sound? I don't know what's happening with this mic sound. This mic automatically changing my sound. I think I need to buy a new mic for me. Okay, let's continue the video. Here I'm adding the line again for making a small window. Let's push it a little bit. Yeah, looks good now. So let's join wall to other wall for upper support of these windows. So I'm making line and pushing it to other wall. It joined automatically. And after join, erase the useless lines by click E button. Yes, we done. Now let's create roof. So click R button and match corner to corner like this, and you got a roof. But it looks so flat, so press P and push it a little bit upside. Also copy this roof by click M button and hold Control button and release the button, and you got a copy of an object. Now put it down. This is a floor. Now we done our ground floor, and to turn to making first floor, we will create first floor with exacting using this method. Let's begin. Create wall by click R button and match corner to corner like this. I'm doing. Okay, here we done. Now select whole wall, click right button and make it into group. So press M button and click on corner and move it and put it on the first floor like this and make sure everything perfectly aligned. Let's push the wall by click P button and select wall and push it, push it. Let's push whole walls.
Push every wall, and after it,
Let's join all wall and make window area by joint both wall. Okay, now we're creating exterior panel design. You can see in this AutoCAD drawing. So first, let's make a measurement line by click M and draw like this. Make sure all lines should be in a line with wall. And after it, create rectangular on this measurement line like this and join it with exterior wall. So this area will balcony area. And now push it upside. We need only 6 inches. Push it. Yeah, these look good. Now let's create corner and push the corner. Ayo, friends, you know it's taken too much time to make this tutorial for you, so please support me and give your love to this channel and subscribe channel. Also, fuck that like button. And the last, tell me in the comment what can I improve for our next video. Also, if you have any doubt, write yo or inquiry in comment box. I will reply soon. You guys amazing. Keep learning or watch this full exterior series. I only uploaded 2 parts of this series. All right, let's create other one window, make line by press L button and create straight line. Create like this. Okay, now let's make line on top area with same method. After it, push the wall to other wall and join it with other wall and make it one wall like this type. Now the window area, perfectly done. So the next work is to add windows. So I would like to add sliding windows. Also a big ventilator window in the right area of house. Let's import the windows and fix it between gaps. Click S for scale. All right, make the copy of the window by holding Control button and press M button. Now move the object and release the Control button. Then you got a copy of object and put it perfectly on window area. It's easy peasy. Make scale a little bit more. Yeah, looks pretty. Let's make a copy again and rotate it 90 degrees and move to window area. Put it here and scale it a little bit. Again, woo, yeah, we finished window work. Let's add the door. Okay, so all these assets I'm downloading from SketchUp Warehouse. You can find any asset in SketchUp Warehouse. It's free extension. You just need to click window option and click to 3D warehouse option and search anything you... All right, look at this house. This looks shit pretty. Now we have big window ventilation and a single frame fixed window. So let's import it from warehouse. Okay, this window area basically is inner area, so let's rotate it and move it inner side. Window is too big, descale it a little bit and fix the size perfectly. Let's add other big ventilation window. It's so tiny. Rotate it by 90 degrees. Move the window. Scale the window higher. Higher looks like wall panel. This is modern ventilation method. Mostly this big window ventilation used in factory. Residential houses also in modern house. Now make copy of this window and scale it a little bit. Also fix it in wall. All right, we've done our full exterior modeling in SketchUp. Now the turn of adding texture and making it more realistic, also making walkthrough of this house. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, break like button. All right, I add texture in some area pending. So let's add texture. You can see in my left there is paint icon. Click on it and look on the right side. You can see here, texture, just select any texture you want and put it on object. Like this, I'm doing. If you have any doubt, comment me below, I will solve. Let's add some hanging light in balcony area. This hanging lights look so good for this house. All right, our exterior modeling done, our exterior texturing done, our walkthrough done. But why you fucking not subscribe my channel? Subscribe it fast. Come on, it's free. I will meet you in the next tutorial of SketchUp. For now, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Also, please comment below. What can I improve for my next video tutorial? And what type tutorial do you want?
Thank you.